want to stand here and look majestic for about 10 seconds. Ray, what's closer to count gun? Look at this stretch. By the way, I'm Kyle, second video. This is Cody. We're gonna go rape some people, so that's always fun.
I see.
Alright.
Good fun, good fun.
And so on. I really like this hydration pack. That's fun. Okay,
We're gonna scrap this video because I keep not focusing on you people. It's just like ground, people, ground, people. It's like,
ground's playing too.
yes.
Wait, the ground's on our team. Get it!
This trench is like out. Fine shape, Cody. You'll want it. Yep, I'm following. Somewhat. I see.
Alright. So, right now I'm doing an actual military strategy, which is pretty simple. It's when you enter a hostile area and you don't actually know where your hostile or the enemy are. You just know that they're here with you. It's a couple-part plan. First off is observation. Search the land, see which way is most helpful for you, basically. What part of Alfred makes you happy?
My arm's gonna fall asleep.
That's good. So, then you have to locate the enemy. No hostile act until you do. After that, you work out a quick plan on the spot, move in to kill. Pretty simple. It's when you're not fighting that many.
My arm is asleep.
Good. Good. That means
Cody, stop standing. Crouch down. Come on. You're in a ghillie suit. That doesn't work like that.
I think Cody figures that out. He made it so easy.
I have to sometimes in the way of the ghillie.
Alright. So anyway, now I'm going to tell you about rice. You know,
no.
The MRE rice.
No.
Best stuff in the
Stop
world.
giving away your position, because I'm going to get shot. Please. As I keep looking at you like your chest is like...
Any visual?
I'm looking at you. He's a bush, guys. Just calm down. He's just a bush.
An Italian bush. No, this way. Get behind cover and then you cover me. Let's go and try to find them. Here's our rush. They're shooting at us now.
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
Alright, come in here. You walk down. Do the same thing.
I don't think we have a problem with them sneaking up on us. Personally, I prefer just frontal assault. But that's why I only have 2.
Come on, camera. So they're both in here. Alright. forward. Hold them there. Come on, I gotta flip out the tank and really run.
I became the cameraman the way I didn't have to run.
Now follow me to tell me it's nice. I'm gonna come. Yeah! I saw. Not making this part up.
Yeah, he is. Oh yeah, that's... So, Cody's out. See? Morgan's still in.
I just need a saw.
Yeah.
Or minigun or blaster pistol with infinite ammo. Yeah, I'm out, man. Actually, you didn't get me. Ringo did. Morgan, you're welcome. Oh, it worked. A little bit. I can hardly aim with that thing on. I didn't even know where you were. John Spunky Doc!
Don't shoot me!
Oh,
Please.
hit! Now you're the tension monkey.
Awesome.
Good fun. Good fun.
Awesome.